So when I develop, I need to make sure that my workstation, it looks good, right? So right now what you see here in the code changing screen is the default Xcode color theme. So if you want to change themes, you go to Xcode, you go to preferences, you go to fonts and colors, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. But I need something custom, and you're gonna see me use my version on all the code that I use. So this is mine, and it's super dope, right? You might not be able to see it on this here because it's just an example that I just copied and pasted from GitHub. But I'm going to put it up, and if you want to use it, you're going to want to, you press Command Spacebar, you put that squiggly line, then you go to Library, Developer, Xcode, right? And then when you go to the screen, you're going to go into UserData, and there's this folder called FontAndColorThemes. And if you don't have this folder, FontAndColorThemes, you're going to want to create it by pressing Command N. Oh, my bad. Now, Command Shift N, and then you're going to write FontAndColorThemes with the S, not a Z. But anyways, then you go in here, and you're going to drop this file that I upload for you guys. You could download it. You could use it. Get all fresh like me. You dig? So that's how you get a color theme going. That's gonna be fun to work with.